Hey, creators! Bluebert the Crayon here, ready to color your world in 3D. Today, I'm showing you how to import a group of STL files into Bambu Studio and load them up with colors. Let's jump in. First, open Bambu Studio and start a new project. Fresh canvas, ready to go. Next, click File, then Import STL, etc. Pick all your colorful STL files. Hold Shift if you want to grab a bunch at once. When it asks, choose Load these objects as a single file with multiple parts. That keeps all your pieces together perfectly, just like crayons in a brand new box. Speaking of crayons in a box, now click the plus sign next to Project Filaments to add your colors. I'll start with blue, of course. Now click Objects on the left and expand your file. Now we can assign colors to one object at a time. When every part's got its color, you're ready to slice, print, and make some magic. And that's it, friends. Easy peasy, colorful squeezy. Catch you next time for more crayon-tastic 3D tips.